afraid of that one exam that you have spent months or maybe years preparing for, afraid of what your parents will think if you fail, afraid of disappointing your parents after all the things they have done for you, afraid of those expectations that they have placed on your shoulders, afraid of what your relatives will say, afraid of failing, or afraid that one result might decide your entire future. If any of this question made your heart sink a little, then I think you should watch this video till the end, coming from someone who has been in the same position, in the same place as well. Yes, मुझे तो अभी भी कमेंट्स आते हैं मेरे ओल्ड वीडियोस में कि अरे तुम नीट एस्पिरेंट थी ना, अरे तुम तो नीट कर रही थी, तुम तो नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी ना आकाश पे, अरे तुमने लॉ ले लिया, ये क्या किया, ऐसे कैसे हो गया, तुम तो नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी. मेरे पिछले वीडियोस में, मेरे एकदम फर्स्ट वीडियोस में अगर तुम लोग जाओगे, तुम लोग विजिट करोगे तो यू विल सी कि मेरे आकाश के व्लॉग्स में पीपल अभी भी कमेंट करते हैं. लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू बी इन माई 3rd ईयर अपने लॉ स्कूल में एंड अभी भी आई रिसीव कमेंट्स लाइक तुम तो नीट की प्रिपरेशन कर रही थी, तुमने छोड़ दिया नीट का प्रिपरेशन, तुमसे ना हो पाया नीट. मुझे अभी भी आते हैं कमेंट. यू नो व्हाट, टू ऑल दोस पीपल हु कमेंट्स लाइक दिस, आई जस्ट वांट टू से देम, हाँ मैंने नीट का प्रिपरेशन छोड़ दिया एंड गेस व्हाट, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. अभी जो मैं कर रही हूँ अपने एजुकेशन फील्ड में, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं बहुत सेटिस्फाइड हूँ एंड आई थैंक माई सेल्फ एंड आई थैंक गॉड कि मैंने छोड़ दिया नीट का प्रिपरेशन इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग अ ड्रॉप. मैंने वो रैट रेस छोड़ दिया एंड मैं अभी बहुत खुश हूँ. यू नो व्हाट्स मोस्ट डिप्रेसिंग, इट्स नॉट फेलिंग दैट वन एग्जाम और नॉट एबल टू क्रैक दैट वन एग्जाम. इट्स द फैक्ट दैट सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स नेवर गेट द चांस टू फिगर आउट व्हाट दे एक्चुअली वांट टू डू इन लाइफ. Yes, before they are pushed into that rat race, a race that they didn't fully understand, a race that they were told that they had to win anyhow, क्योंकि बचपन से तो वो वही सुनते आए हैं ना. The exam, become a doctor, become an engineer, make your parents proud, make the relative proud. And after hearing this again and again, many students stop asking what they want. They start living according to what everyone else expects from them. Even if someone figures it out that this is not for them, they wanted to leave, or maybe some knew deep down that this is not for them, but they stayed because they were told that this is the only way to succeed, the only way to make their parents proud, and the only way to have a good future. Right now probably some of you are preparing for competitive exams, or some of you have already given it, and probably some of you are waiting for the result. और शायद ही तुम लोग यही सोच रहे हो कि यार अगर एग्जाम क्रैक नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, what if this is my last attempt, what if I disappoint my parents again, what they will think of me. And अगर ये सब सोच के तुम खुद को बोल रहे हो कि you are weak, तुमसे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, तुम टॉपर की तरह, मैं टॉपर की तरह क्यों नहीं हूँ, मैं इतनी वीक क्यों हूँ, मैं मुझसे कुछ नहीं होता, then please stop saying all this to yourself. You are very wrong if you are saying this, because many of us are taught to believe from a very young age. We are told that this is the only path, only way to succeed. There's only one road to success, that is crack the competitive exam, get a good college, get a good job, and bus your future is secure. अभी मुझे एक बात बताओ, if I ask a fish to climb a tree, would it be able to? If I ask a fish कि go and climb a tree, would it be able to? Definitely no. Not because the fish is incapable, but because climbing trees was never what it was built for. Now similarly, if I ask a monkey that go and climb the tree, monkey will do it effortlessly. Now does that make the monkey more valuable than the fish? Of course not. And this is life. We expect everyone to succeed in the same race, through the same exact path, at the same exact pace. Fact that from the very beginning of our schooling we are taught to secure good marks, but we are rarely taught how to understand ourselves. We are taught to memorize the answers, we are taught to write those answers in the exam sheet, we are taught to chase marks, but we are rarely taught how to figure out what the students genuinely enjoy. And then suddenly at 16 or 17 years old are expected to take one of the biggest decisions of their life. I mean, think about that for a second. How a 16-year-old supposed to know exactly what they want to do for the next 50 or 60 years? How are they supposed to be completely sure? Most of us still figuring out who we are at that age. Yet, we are expected to choose a stream, choose a career path, choose an entrance exam that will decide the rest of our future. And when we are confused about that part, our teachers, our people around us, they say, why are you so confused? Don't you know what you want to do in life? I mean, you are 16, shut the fuck up. Confusion at this age is very normal. Problem is, so many students are never given the chance to explore. They are taught that success has only a few accepted definitions. Pack the exam, get the college, get the degree, secure the job. And there's nothing wrong with these goals. The problem starts when the student starts believing that these are the only path that matters. Because you know what? They are not. How can we expect teenagers to take life-defining career decisions when they haven't even had the opportunity to discover themselves yet? And you know what? When students start believing that only these few career paths are well respected, these career paths matters, they become even more afraid of failing. Because they start believing that if this one path doesn't work out, they have nothing left. But this is not true. And you know what? This is probably one of the most important reasons why so many people are afraid of taking or choosing the career path that genuinely interests them or that they actually want to pursue in life. Because the moment someone chooses a different stream, society will have opinion about it. And so since my relatives, they will be like, साइंस छोड़ के आर्ट्स ले लिया, शायद ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है, शायद साइंस उसके बस की बात नहीं है, आर्ट्स ले लिया, तुम तो पढ़ाई में इतनी अच्छी थी, आर्ट्स क्यों लिया, तुम्हें तो साइंस लेना चाहिए था. I mean, moment a student will choose arts, now they have to answer other people why they have chosen arts now. I mean, seriously, तुम एक बार irony देखो. We live in a country that has produced great writers, great artists, philosophers, musicians, lawyers, economists, whose culture and history are deeply connected with the arts and humanities. So many students are still made to feel that some careers deserve more respect than others. No stream is superior to another. सबसे गंदी चीज क्या पता है? You finally gather courage and decide that this path is not meant for you. So you decide to move on. You decide to choose the path that you actually want to do in life. And instead of appreciating your courage, people will start mocking you instead of appreciation. They will say, अरे तू तो डॉक्टर बनने वाली थी ना, तू तो डॉक्टर बनने वाला था ना, हो गया, नहीं कर पाया ना, नहीं क्रैक कर पाया ना. They literally talk like that. फिर से देखो अब क्या कर रहा है, ये तो नीट का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था ना, देखो क्या कर रहा है, अब नहीं हुआ इससे नीट. Or even if someone chooses another healthcare field which is not MBBS, suppose nursing or anything related to healthcare field, people will mock them like, डॉक्टर बनने वाली थी ना, नर्स बन गई, अब देखो. This is how the professions are categorized and people mock as if every career that isn't MBBS is failure. I mean, such an unfair way to judge a profession, to judge someone. A person's worth isn't determined by the one course that they couldn't get into. It's determined by what they choose to build with the opportunities they have. Yes, some people will pull you down, some people will try to remind you about your failure more than they'll acknowledge your courage. Because that's what they do. If you have accepted your setback and if you have found another path that genuinely excites you, walk that path with confidence. Focus on building a life that you are proud of. Because one day, your work will speak louder than the opinions that try to define you. And you know what? At least you'll be happy in your field, unlike others. You know what I mean. हमेशा याद रखना, कोई भी प्रोफेशन छोटा नहीं होता. कोई भी प्रोफेशन छोटा नहीं होता. अपनी मन की सुनो, खुद को ढूंढने की कोशिश करो, खुद को पूछो तुम्हें क्या करना पसंद है, and choose that for future. बिकॉज वही एक चीज़ तुम्हारा फ्यूचर बनाएगा. एक चीज़ को तुम अगर पसंद करते हो, उसको ही अपना फ्यूचर बनाओ, उसको ही अपना काम बनाओ, तभी तुम टिक पाओगे, और इस तुम टिक नहीं पाओगे. So what is the worst part? Students don't even know how many career opportunities, career options are there beyond these competitive exams. Because nobody tells them. Nobody sits down with them and says, these are all the different career paths you can choose from. Take me as an example. Yes, I didn't even know that there was an entrance exam called NIFT, NIFT, for fashion technology, for fashion studies, for fashion designing. मुझे पता भी नहीं था. मेरा नीट का प्रिपरेशन जब मेरा आधा हो चुका था, तभी मुझे पता चला, अच्छा ऐसा भी एक एग्जाम होता है. आई डोंट नो वेदर आई वाज टू डम्ब एट दैट पॉइंट, बट हाँ, एंड इट वाज जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल. इसको छोड़ के कितने सारे करियर ऑप्शंस होते हैं जो हम बच्चों को, जब हम लोग अपने 10, 11, 12 में रहते हैं, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता, क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में तो वही एक चीज़ घूमती है ना, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स को क्रैक करना है, नीट को क्रैक करना है, जेई क्रैक करना है, एंड एक कॉलेज में हमें तो यही हमारे दिमाग में घूमता रहता है, क्योंकि हम बचपन से यही सुनते आए हैं. मेरे डाइनिंग टेबल पे तो हमेशा यही बात होता था कि जब मैं क्लास 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 में जब मैं थी, तो माई डैड ही यूज्ड टू से कि इसके बेटे ने जेई दे दिया, अभी अच्छा जॉब कर रहा है, अच्छा कंपनी में जॉब कर रहा है, अच्छा पैसा मिल रहा है. एंड यू नो व्हाट, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस दैट दिस इज प्रॉब्लमेटिक, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. दिस इज नॉट प्रॉब्लमेटिक. द फैक्ट दैट पेरेंट्स हमें ये बोलते हैं कि क्रैक दिस एग्जाम, गेट अ जॉब, क्योंकि दिस इज प्रोबेबली द ईजिएस्ट पाथ टू अर्न मनी. आई फील लाइक दिस इज कम्प्लीटली माई ओपिनियन, क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें एक जॉब मिल जाएगा तो तुम्हारा मंथली तुम्हें इनकम मिलेगा. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द मोस्ट ईजिएस्ट पार्ट. आवर पेरेंट्स डजंट वांट टू सी अस सफरिंग, or they doesn't want to see us poor, so they think that this is one of the comfortable position a job to earn money. That is the reason they say this. तो बचपन से हमारे दिमाग में भी यही घूमता रहता है, एंड इसीलिए जब कोई और बच्चा कोई और चीज़ चूज़ करता है, हम इधर उसे मॉक करते हैं, उसे पुल डाउन करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट हमें तो खुद पता है कि हम लोग खुद ही इन्जॉय नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम लोग खुद ही मैंने साइंस ले लिया, बट मैं तो साइंस इन्जॉय नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट ले लिया नाम पे कि मैंने साइंस ले लिया. There are hundreds of courses and career options that students never get to explore because nobody introduces them to those possibilities. After hearing all those names of those competitive exams again and again, we start believing that that's all there is. That these are the only career that matters and बाकी सब बर्बादी है. You know, again, the problem is not these exams exist. The problem is that so many students are never given the chance to explore everything before they're expected to choose their future. You have been taught for years that this is the only chance. So of course you're going to feel like your whole life is over if you don't crack it. I completely understand after preparing for months, after preparing for years, even if your exam doesn't go well, how much it hurts. I can feel the pain because मैं भी थी तुम्हारे पोजीशन पे कभी ना कभी. And it doesn't hurt just for the result. It hurts when you think about those sacrifices that your parents made for you. You think about the money that they have invested on you. You think like कि तुमने सब कुछ उनका पैसा बर्बाद कर दिया है. ये सब थॉट्स आते हैं, एंड probably that is the only reason why so many students they do negative thing just about thinking all those stuffs when after their results are out. I know what that feels like. I know how much heavy the pressure can become. I know how exhausting it is to keep trying when nothing feels right, when it feels like nothing is working. But you know what? I also want you to know something. This moment is not the end of your story. One exam can never decide what everything you're capable of. You know what? Life has a very funny way of opening doors you never even knew that existed. Sometimes the path you desperately wanted to walk isn't the path you're meant to walk. And that's completely okay. You will never believe if one door closes, बाकी सब दरवाजा खुल जाते हैं. If one door closes, it doesn't mean your future is over. Because life doesn't give you just one opportunity. It gives you many. Your job is to keep showing up. Keep moving forward until and unless you find the path. The path that truly belongs to you. Don't let one result convince you that your life has no value. Before I end this video, I just want to make one thing very clear. The purpose of this video is not to demotivate anyone. I am not asking you to give up on your dream of becoming a doctor or engineer, a lawyer or anything else. If that genuinely interests you, work for it with everything you have got. This video is only for the students who have started believing that this is the only path of success. Because again, it is not. And if despite your honest effort things don't work out, don't mistake one outcome for the end of your life. Sometimes success comes in the first attempt, sometimes it comes in the 6th or 7th, and sometimes during the journey you discover what you like to do. You discover your strengths, your weakness. But your happiness lies somewhere else and not here. There's no shame in that. Changing your path isn't the same as giving up. Sometimes it's the bravest decision you can make. Our world is much bigger than the few careers we grow up hearing about. The difficult part is to look beyond the path everyone else is following. And if one door closes, don't spend your entire life looking at that closed door. Turn around. There may be another door waiting for you. One that's meant for the person you're becoming. So work hard, give your dreams the best. But please never let one exam decide your worth. And if this video helped you breathe a little easier today, then probably I have achieved what I wanted to. And if you are still watching this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe and the like button, because हम लोग बहुत जल्दी 1K subscribers hit करने वाले हैं. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.